How to add a Spotify widget to the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now on the home screen, touch and hold on an empty spot. Next, go down, then tap on Widget. And from here, scroll down, then tap on Spotify. After that, select a widget size and then drag and drop it onto your home screen. And after that, you can tap on anywhere on the screen to save the changes. Then tap on Open Spotify, and from here you can log into your Spotify account. Once logged in, you can now use your Spotify directly from the home screen. And that is how you can add the Spotify widget to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.